What's going on, my people? Today I'm gonna show you how I color grade this non-flat image. Because there is some people who asked me how to color grade non-flat image, so that reason why I bring this non-flat image just to color grade it in Premiere Pro. And for the one who are using the camera which has not vlog, s-log, something like that, so this video is yours. So now let's dive in and let's see how it is. In my timeline, guys, I have some different clips. Okay, you see, this is non-flat image and this is, so I mean there is two kinds of video. Okay, because guys, for the people who have some cameras, okay, you can shoot in neutral, in portrait, something like that. Okay, so that means this clip is different from this. Okay, so now we're going to see how you can color grade those two clips. Okay, so first let me open up this basic let me go here on color grading workspace. You see how it is my clip. Okay, so guys, first in my clip it has the contrast. Okay, so you see all the color are visible. So now the things I have to do, so cause I cannot increase the contrast cause the contrast is in. Okay, so you see how it is. Okay, the flat image, it looks like this. Okay, so I cannot increase the contrast. So now the things I'm going to do, first I'm going to check it out if my white balance it is good. Okay, so or if I can just reduce. Okay, if it has like too much warm, okay, here I can just reduce just a few little bit. Okay, and then I can just increase the saturation. Okay, so guys, for me, as I told you, I increase the vibrance here in creative. Okay, so it works like saturation. Okay, but this vibrance, okay, works perfect. Okay, you see, guys. Okay, now this is pretty much, and then let me just close this vibrance. Let me just open up this curve. Okay, so about this curve, let me just use this shadow only. Okay, so that's too much, guys. Okay, yeah, this is enough. Okay, and then let me just come here for this hover sat and the hover luma. I just want to give them like a look. Okay, so and about this background, which is about this color which is on the background, let me just give them like a saturation. So for this grays mixed with yellow. Okay, so let me pick it out, these things. You see how it is. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, or if you just want, you can reduce the saturation. Now you see how it is, guys. This is pretty much okay. This looks good. And then let me just come here in this hovers okay, and I just want to give them just a little green, okay, in order to look well. Okay, so when I check it out before and after in this curve, you see how the clip was, and that was before, and then this is after. Okay, and then let me and then let me just come back here on this hover luma. Okay, so hover luma, I just want to bring this color thick. Okay, you see how it is. Okay, yeah, this is nice. And then let me close this curve, and I'm going to open up these colorways and match. Okay, in order to give them like, yes, the highlight and the shadow. Okay, so for example, if I just want to give them, if I just want to put the color in shadow, like this heart, this color, okay, these lens, okay, where the black it is. Okay, for example, I can say I would just want to give them, I just want to put like a green or blue or white, what in the what. Okay, so now you just came here on this shadow. Okay, so when I increase the shadow or decrease, now you see what is happening on the shadow part. Okay, so but for me this is enough. So the things I have to do, and I'm going to give them like color. Okay, so if I can give them like a green. Okay, yeah, the cinematic look. Okay, and then for this midi tone, so I have to put it in the skin tone, guys. You see how this clip looks like. Okay, and let me just go on the midi tone. So when I go on the midi tone, you see here on my skin tone how the things change. That's too much. Okay, now yes, the color comes really good. Okay, so now this is nice. Okay, and then about the highlight, okay, it is where the white color it is. Okay, so in the sky, this t-shirt. Okay, so for example, let me just give them like a green. So when I give them like green, you see how it is. When I give them like a blue, yeah, this blue is not good. Okay, so let me just give them the green. Now you see how it is, guys. Okay, so this is before and then this is after. So this is the look which I want to be in this clip. Okay, and then so let me close these color wheels. Okay, and I'm going to open up this HCLA. Okay, to work on my skin tone. If you guys, if you want, you can just work on the skin tone, or you can just let it, and you see how this clip, yeah, this clip is looking good. Okay, so let me open up this HCLR secondary and choose the red one as usual. Okay, now you see for non-flat image dialect, it attached when you just click on any color you want to select directly. You see, guys, how this skin tone it is already selected. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, so now you just move it here. Okay, and I'm going to give them my color. Okay, so for example, let me just give them, yeah, can just give them yellow or what and what. Okay, so let me just give it like let one like this, but it is over saturated. Okay, so when it is very saturated, guys, you can just come here on this saturation and you decrease. Now you see how your skin tone it is looks like. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Okay, now you see how this is, yeah. So and now you see, yeah, that was before and then this is after, guys. Okay, so now you see, guys, how you can just color grade this non-flat image. But let me jump on this second clip, guys, because I told you it is differ from this first one. Okay, so this second one, it looks like it has like a little flat. Okay, so now the things you have to do it. Okay, so let me just copy this color we have put it on this first clip. Okay, for example, let me click here on this Lumetri Color, right click on it, and then go here on copy, and then click here on this second one, and then press Ctrl+V to paste the color grading. Now you see, guys, when I paste the color grading of my first clip, it is totally different have look. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do on this clip, okay, so I can just open up this basic correction, because on the first clip we didn't use this adjusting exposure, contrast, highlight, something like that. Okay, so that's the reason why if you have a non-flat image, it also has like a different kind of images. As I told you, you can shoot in neutral, in portrait, something like that. Okay, so for this second clip I can increase the contrast. Okay, so when I increase the contrast, now you see how this clip is gonna starting looks. Okay, and it is over highlighted. That's the reason why I can just reduce the shadow and the highlight to something like this. Now you see how this image it is now is starting looks well. Okay, but guys, you see there is some people who like footage which has more saturation, but another one they don't like it. So if it is over saturated, you can just reduce it here. Okay, for whole clip. Okay, and then so now you see how this clip it is looking. Yeah, this is looks nice. When I try to put it on full screen, now you see how this clip it is looking. So and on this highlighter you can just also add any color on these colorways as usual. when you just want to add more, okay, you just come up here to add, yes, any color you want, okay. So it's green, it's white, okay. You want like a cinematic look, so for me this is looks nice, okay. And then about the HCL secondary, when I just want to check it out, okay, you see how it is, okay. Here I can just select well my skin tone because it's attached on this iron sheet, okay. Now you see. All right, so this is good. Then you see how my clip it is. So when you check it out before, so this is before and this is after, okay. And then for first clip also, so that was before and then this is after. Now you see guys, when you add like color grading, yes, looks too different. So guys, this is how you can just make all, this is how you can color grade non-flat image. So I think for the guys who used like Canon 5D, Mark II, Mark III, yeah, Mark IV, something like that, and other Canons, okay, you can just work on color grading, okay. All right, so I think this is the final result that I get, okay. So guys, I think now this video is gonna be helpful to you, okay. All right guys, thanks for watching, and for the guy who have another question, please you can drop it in the comment down below because I just want to know what can I help you. And then I love you guys. I will see you in next video. Peace.